Mushroom and mint Soba Noodle salad. Here are the ingredients. Place the soba noodle into a bowl, pour boiling water over the top and let stand until it's soft. Give it a stir and then set aside. Cut 1 carrot into matchsticks. Slice 2 cucumbers on the diagonal. Slice 3 brown mushrooms. Spread 1/4 of an iceberg lettuce. Shred 1 handful of mint leaves. Peel a thumb-sized piece of ginger and chop finely. Add the sliced chilli, the chopped ginger, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and the juice of 2 limes. To a jug, add 2 tablespoons of agave syrup and stir well. Strain the water off the noodles and run under cold water to cool. Place all the chopped vegetables into a bowl, pour over the dressing and massage the dressing into the salad. Add the drained noodles and mix into the salad. Place onto a plate, top with some sesame seeds, and then serve.